Hello everyone, this is your homework. Let's learn about letter H and letter I. Are you ready? Let's start. Letter H, hat. Letter H, hat. Remember any sound? Hat. And any sound? H, 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 hat. Okay, very good. Next. Letter H, house. Letter H, house. Letter H, house. Next, letter I, ink. Letter I, ink. Remember any sound? Ink. Letter I, ink. Letter I, igloo. Letter I, igloo. Letter I, igloo. Now let's review. Letter H, hat. Letter H, house. Letter I, ink. Letter I, igloo. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.